What's going down, YouTube? Yes, you see it. You know what it is already. I told y'all I'll give y'all the side-by-side of Project X, and here we go. What up, YouTube? It's your man Cap City Land coming back at you with another update on Project X. And what you're looking at is Project X without lights. Removed all the lights from the Excursion, well, except for the front lights. I have them kind of mocked up right now, but the tail lights and rear lights, reverse lights, and the license plate lights. And quick story about the license plate lights, for those of you with these Ford Excursions, F-250s, and even F-150s that have these lights with the plastic bubble that goes over top of it, the black one, I recommend just reaching your hand up under there, if you can get your hand up under there, and unscrewing them, because using the little slot where you can try to pop them out and everything, that will cause them to break, and you'll be out of a lot of time and maybe even money depending on how they break. Luckily mine weren't broken that bad. They just separated from the base of the light where you screw the light in from the back. So what I did is I just kind of plastic weld them back together and hope for the best, basically. But I do have an LED in one of them. There we go. I have everything mocked up right now. I unplugged the battery, you know, just to kind of play it safe, because I did kill my battery earlier. So, and you know, playing it safe as far as, you know, having open electric circuits. I don't want to shock myself or even, excuse me, burn any fuses out. But let's go take a look at what we got. See, I got everything apart. This is a mess. But here's the new tail light. It's a Ford Excursion 40 Econoline E350 light. You know, fits on either one of those vehicles, and it's a direct fit and a direct plug-in. Actually, there's the OEM plug right there, the factory plug. And what you do is it has a wire that goes right into the factory plug. You know, just lube the wire, the connector up, place that in there, twist it, and there you go. All you got to do is plug and play. So I got that. These were about, you know, well over $200 on Amazon. I got these for about 230 bucks, and they range from about 230 to upwards to 250, $300, depending on which ones you get. So that's that. And my third brake light, I do have the LED third brake light. It's actually in the house, but my third brake light, as you can see, this thing was in horrible shape. I got two kind of melted connectors. One, the bulb actually broke inside of it. When I took it out, it was glass falling all over the place. But that's, I guess that's how the cookie crumbles. But quick update on the headlights. I have the headlight back apart. Right now I kind of have it mocked up. And what I am going to do is I got some clips that actually fit down onto these. I'm gonna do a little bit of shaving on this part right here. So what I'm gonna do is shave the plastic down a little bit on that end, shave that piece down, and the clip should fit right directly on there. And I got a piece that I'm actually gonna mock up for this one. And I'm gonna see how it works first before I, you know, do a complete fit. So I'm gonna do some test fits to make sure it works. And you know, man's best friend right here is always electrical tape when you're dealing with electronics. So I didn't have to tape anything. I got everything mainly crimped. I will be crimping things such as the LED lights on the side markers, they will be crimped. I won't be taping them out. Tape them just, you know, just to kind of play it safe and keep water out of it. But here's a glance at it, kind of mocked up. Let's see if I can, hold on, I got these everywhere. And another word of advice for, sorry, let's try to get this in here. If not, you get the picture. But that's how it, you know, sort of kind of looks, and you know, from far away. But it's, you know, it's not screwed in or anything, so, but we're gonna get to that. But word to the wise for fellow Excursion F250 owners, these side markers right here are notorious for blowing out on almost every Ford vehicle from this generation. So I recommend actually ordering a pair of these, if, you know, just in case. I'll pull my bulb out, take a look. This one's all corroded, so it actually does not light up or anything. So I've been looking for one. I may have to actually order it, but I recommend, you know, taking care of that first. But that's an update on Project X, what we got going on. And oh yeah, got a exhaust tip finally. Want to look a little bit decent, you know, dress it up a little bit for right now. But that's it for right now with Project X. And I will have some more coming soon. And hopefully we can get all the proper parts and accessories needed in order to get this thing lit up and back on the road. But, you know, we'll see. We'll get it together. You know, we'll keep a positive mind about it. And with all projects, you already know, you know, there's always their ups and downs when it comes to certain projects. And, you know, everything ain't gonna go smooth every day. So we'll get it together. But I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Cap City out.